everyone, welcome back to the Lingo Listen. I'm Emma, and I'm really happy you're here with us today.
Hey everyone, I'm Sam, and today we are talking about something very real.
Bad habits.
Oh no, this feels dangerous already.
Why dangerous?
Because now people will know my secrets.
That sounds interesting.
Maybe a little embarrassing too.
Don't worry. Everyone has bad habits.
That is true. Some people sleep too late.
Some people eat too much junk food.
Some people say, I'll start tomorrow.
Oh no, that one feels very real.
Very real.
Today, we are talking about bad habits and how they affect daily life.
Real English for real life.
Because learning English is easier. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Lingo Listen. I'm Emma, and I'm really happy you're here with us today.
Hey everyone, I'm Sam, and today we are talking about something very real.
Bad habits.
Oh no, this feels dangerous already.
Why dangerous?
Because now people will know my secrets.
That sounds interesting.
Maybe a little embarrassing too.
Don't worry. Everyone has bad habits.
That is true. Some people sleep too late.
Some people eat too much junk food.
Some people say, I'll start tomorrow.
Oh no, that one feels very real.
Very real.
Today, we are talking about bad habits and how they affect daily life.
Real English for real life.
Because learning English is easier when the conversation feels natural.
And funny sometimes.
Yes, a little funny.
Before we begin, if you enjoy learning English with natural conversations,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the Lingo Listen.
okay, Emma, let me ask you something. Do you have any bad habits?
I do.
Oh wow, Emma is human.
Very funny.
So, what is your bad habit?
Sleeping late.
Really?
Yes. Sometimes I say, I will sleep early tonight.
And then?
Suddenly, it is 2 a.m.
Oh no, what happened?
Videos happened.
Ah, the phone problem.
Yes. Useful sentence, everyone. I sleep too late.
Nice and simple. Repeat after us. I sleep too late.
Or maybe I use my phone too much?
Ouch, that sounds like me.
Really?
Yes, sometimes I check my phone for 1 minute and suddenly 1 hour is gone.
That happens too often.
Useful sentence. I spend too much time on my phone.
Very useful English.
Emma, do you know another bad habit?
Forgetting things?
Oh no, like keys?
Yes. Keys, wallet, water bottle.
Sometimes even your phone?
Let's not talk about that.
That means yes.
Maybe.
Useful sentence, everyone. I forget things easily.
Nice one.
Or maybe I always forget something.
That feels very real.
Okay, Emma, I have another bad habit.
What is it?
Saying, I'll do it later.
Oh no, that is dangerous.
Very dangerous. Then later comes and I still do nothing.
That sounds familiar.
Useful sentence, everyone. I always do things later.
Or I wait too long.
Emma, what do people call that?
Procrastination.
Wait, that word sounds difficult.
A little difficult, so let's keep it simple. Doing things too late.
Much better.
Sometimes simple English is best.
Very true.
Another bad habit?
Eating unhealthy food.
Snacks?
Too many snacks.
Chips?
Yes, chocolate too.
Oh no. Useful sentence, everyone. I eat too much junk food.
Repeat after us. I eat too much junk food.
But honestly, sometimes snacks are hard to say no to.
Very hard, especially late at night.
Wait, that sounds like another bad habit.
Maybe.
Eating late?
Yes, midnight snacks.
Oh, wow.
Useful sentence. I eat late at night.
Emma, question time.
Okay.
Do you ever say, tomorrow will be different?
Oh no. Every time. Every single time.
And then tomorrow comes.
And nothing changes.
That happens to many people.
Useful sentence, everyone. I want to change.
Nice. Short and simple.
Or maybe, I'll try again tomorrow.
Hopefully tomorrow really comes this time.
Hopefully.
But you know something?
What?
Everybody has bad habits.
Even organized people?
Yes, maybe different habits, but everyone has something.
That feels better.
Nobody is perfect.
Emma, I have a serious question.
Okay.
Is drinking too much coffee a bad habit?
How much coffee?
A lot.
Define a lot.
Enough to know every coffee shop worker.
Oh, wow. That sounds serious.
I knew it.
But wait, maybe coffee is your best friend.
A very expensive friend.
Fair point.
But honestly, bad habits are hard to change.
Very hard, especially when something feels comfortable.
Or fun.
Exactly.
But maybe small changes help.
Like sleeping a little earlier.
Or less phone time?
Or drinking more water.
Instead of coffee.
Maybe not all the coffee.
Good answer.
But wait, what if someone bites their nails?
Oh, another bad habit.
Yes, and sometimes people do it without thinking.
That sounds difficult to stop.
Yes, some bad habits happen without thinking.
Like biting your nails.
Or checking your phone every 5 minutes?
Wait, 5 minutes? Sometimes 5 seconds.
Oh no, that sounds serious.
I know. Sometimes I check my phone, put it down, then pick it up again.
For what?
I don't even know.
That feels very real.
Youthful sentence, everyone. I check my phone too much.
Nice and simple. Repeat after us. I check my phone too much.
Emma, do you know another bad habit?
Saying yes to everything.
Really?
Yes. Sometimes people ask for help, and I say yes, even when I am busy.
Oh, that sounds tiring.
Sometimes it is.
Useful sentence. I say yes too much.
Or maybe I need to say no sometimes.
That sounds like good advice.
Small changes matter.
Emma, what about bad habits at work?
Oh, good question. Maybe arriving late?
Oh no, dangerous habit.
Very dangerous.
Useful sentence. I'm always late.
That sounds stressful.
Or maybe forgetting important things.
Like meetings?
Exactly.
Useful sentence. I forget important things.
Emma, be honest. Have you ever forgotten something important?
Once.
Only once.
Okay, maybe more than once.
That sounds more honest.
One time, I forgot an important meeting.
Oh no, what happened?
Panic happened.
That sounds about right.
Then I said, I'm so sorry.
Good sentence, everyone. I'm so sorry.
Very useful in life,
Especially after mistakes.
which happens to everyone.
Even Emma.
Why am I always the example?
Because it is funny.
Fair enough.
But honestly, bad habits do not change overnight.
Very true. Change takes time.
Maybe today you sleep 10 minutes earlier.
Maybe tomorrow, less phone time.
Maybe next week, better food.
Small steps matter.
Big changes start small.
I like that.
Thank you. I sound smart sometimes.
Sometimes.
Wait, only sometimes?
I'm joking.
Maybe.
But really, do not feel bad if you have bad habits.
Everyone has something.
Nobody is perfect.
And learning English is the same. You do not need to be perfect.
Small practice every day helps.
Even 10 minutes matters.
Today, we learned useful English like, I sleep too late.
I spend too much time on my phone.
I forget things easily.
I eat too much junk food.
I want to change.
I'll try again tomorrow.
Real English, real life.
Emma, one final question.
Okay?
What bad habit do you really want to change?
Sleeping late.
That was fast.
Very fast answer.
Mine is phone time.
That sounds difficult.
Very difficult. My phone and I are best friends.
Maybe too good of friends.
Probably.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today, everyone.
We hope this conversation helped your English feel more natural and easier.
And maybe made you think about your own bad habits too.
If you enjoyed learning with us,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the Lingo Listen.
we will see you again soon.
Bye, everyone.